Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to reset your avatar on the Bitmoji application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, then you should tap on the settings icon that you can find in the upper right corner of the screen. Now scroll down to the My Data section and tap on it. Here tap on the Reset Avatar. And then, as you can see, you will lose your current avatar if you save a new one and if you tap on this OK button. So if you want to reset it, tap on OK. Now your avatar has been reset, so you are ready to create a new one. You can start this process by tapping on the relevant one. You can either take a selfie or tap on the button skip, and then you are able to choose from these options. As you can see, you need to start with the skin tone or with the hair color and so on. So if you are done with all these steps, you need to press the button save that you can find in the upper right corner of the screen. So now your avatar has been updated. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.